Hello, my name is Chris, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a tenant contact in TenantCloud. To get started, simply go up to the left side menu and select Contacts. By default, it is going to set itself to the Tenants tab. In the upper right hand corner, we'll see a button that says Add Tenant. Now, keep in mind, this is in the event that the tenant is already an existing tenant at your property, not if you are going to be sending a application link or if it's a prospective tenant that you still need to screen, etc. In this case, this is an existing tenant that already has a lease, and so we're going to select Add Tenant. Simply fill in all of the required fields and any additional information that you have on a tenant that you would like to be added into the system. So we'll go ahead and add in that information right now. All right, we've added all the information that we want to add for right now, and we're going to go ahead and select Create. Great, you have added the tenant into TenantCloud. Now you have two options. One, which is to move in the tenant and add in their lease information so that the system can begin billing them, or you can select Create another tenant in the event that you need to add more tenants, or simply select the X icon and you can view the profile of the tenant that you just added into the system. From here, you can view the timeline icon as well as select the actions menu in the event that you need to come and circle back around to move in this tenant or send a connection request, assuming the email address is already added. And this is the email address that the tenant is going to be using for creating their TenantCloud account. Once you send the connection request, they will be able to view their lease information, pay rent online, submit maintenance requests, and more. And that is how easy it is to add a tenant contact on TenantCloud. To get started for free, just go to www.tenantcloud.com and click sign up today.